my name is Taylor Sigler.
My sisters and I have been making jewelry as a hobby for some years now. 3 years ago, my friend asked me to design and create the jewelry for her bridal party. I received such positive feedback that I realized that this could be more than just a hobby. A year ago, I started Lemon Cove Fashion Jewelry. Lemon Cove focuses on providing attractive, quality jewelry for all. Most of the pieces I make can be customized to be made from finer materials such as 14 karat gold, sterling silver, and Swarovski crystals, or less costly material like gold or silver plated and glass beads. I really like things that sparkle and are unique. I feel that my jewelry line reflects that. From dainty, delicate pieces to bold statement pieces, we have a variety of styles on our site.
My campaign will be divided into 3 parts. My first campaign will help fund the expansion of my website, lemon-cove.com.
Right now, we are limited with the amount we can display on our site. We are also limited to 1 picture per item.
Now, with this expansion, will help us build up more inventory on our website, and it'll also allow us to have more pictures that can show more details of the items that you can customize.
Thank you for helping me turn the hobby that I love into a real business.